Hey everybody, this is Scott from Overdraft Recon on YouTube. Doing a 1-year review on the Barnes One Ton flip kit aluminum steering for the JK. I've had this about a year. All in all, I do like it, but when I put it on just over a year ago, my first day out four-wheeling, there was like a rotted stump, and it bumped into it, you know, somewhat, not crazy hard, but I realized after that that it was bent. The tie rod bar was bent around right here, and it's kind of hard to see it in the video, but I do have a video clip of it rolling across the floor, which you'll see now. So anyway, so I went out four-wheeling. You know, I've been out several times, a bunch of times, and I went out a couple weeks ago, and I did bump into a rock right here, and I don't know if you can see here, but this thing is bent like really good. When you turn the steering, you can really see it. There's a little video clip of that right here. Look at the PSC move. So anyway, Barnes sent me another tie rod, which is great of them to stand behind the product. And but the strange thing is they told me that they've only had 4 of these bend since they were developed and brought to market in 2018. One was a rollover crash off-road. One was a collision on the road, and my 2 bent bars. You know, I don't wheel crazy hard. I mean, I do stuff, really no more than, say, the average weekend warrior. You know, this one was pushed into a rock, and that one was a rotted stump. But you know, for a product that's supposed to spring back into shape, and I understand things aren't indestructible, but you know, for a weekend warrior who daily drives this vehicle, it's not. I don't go nuts with it, you know. I've seen people wheel a lot harder, and I don't know, it's just weird. So anyway, I'm gonna be putting another bar on this, and they did tell me this is the last one they're gonna give me. That, you know, that I don't know, maybe I got a knack for breaking stuff. All right, so here's the tie rod bar, the old one and the new one, and as you can see, it is severely bent in this area here. So just crazy. But you know, I guess just be a little wary if you're buying this product. It works great, and the warranty's pretty good, but I don't know, just a regular Joe like me, you know, bent 2 of them in a year. It just seems strange. But I tell you, if this one bends, I'll be doing something else, of course. All right, well, thanks for watching the video.